right?
Yep.
Yeah, you just do that until that comes.
Yep.
Tap it. Then you go into field.
Yep.
Right. Have you finished working? Is yes. Create a new field. Then you go into implement.
Setup.
Setup. Right. Now you implement width.
Yep.
Right, just hit that.
Put it in.
Hang on. Implement width.
Yeah, top one.
Yep, see, there's that. You just clear it
Yep.
and put in whatever you want to put in.
Yep.
I say, like, if it was up there 4.8, just go. And 4.8. And you go to forward, back, offset.
Yep.
Right. And you put in whatever it is, so you can the distance to where you hit, make ground contact.
Yeah.
Right.
And make sure it's behind.
Yeah, and make sure you hit behind.
Hit behind.
So, like, but you got to measure that in centimetres.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
So say it was 750 centimetres. Hit behind. And there's usually up there. And you just scroll up. Yeah. I just bumped it again. It's hard to get that bloody thing to do that. And then you go to hitch to ground contact point.
Hitch to ground contact point, yeah.
Just hit it, and that's from your hitch to the middle of your wheel.
Right.
Yeah, so you just put in whatever the width it is in centimetres.
Yep.
And you just make that.
What about that other one from here to there? You didn't do it.
Yeah, we did.
Can we do
That's
that?
forward back one.
Right. Tony.